stick around to see how we were inspired by this adorable book to create 2 of the most unique Bumblebee crafts that your child will just adore. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I want to welcome everyone back to my channel. Before we begin though, I have a special spotlight artist that I want to celebrate. Everybody meet Mason. He watched my last jellyfish craft video and he created the most adorable jellyfish. I love it, I love it, I love it. Congratulations, Mason, on being this week's spotlight. So the book that inspired this craft is called Where is Benjamin's Buzzz? And it was written by Cheryl Des Barres. My daughter just adores this book, and I'll actually tell you why I love it as a parent. I love that the message behind this book teaches kids to work hard at what they want to achieve in life and enjoy the process. Those are traits that I really want my daughter to grasp, and I feel as a parent, if you are looking to teach your child about that and having patience and working hard, please check out this book, guys. You will not be disappointed. I got this book from Amazon and it was not expensive at all. It shipped in the next day it got to my house. So, and also follow Miss Cheryl Des Barres on her Instagram where she posts lots of updates and book signings. And maybe even you can purchase a signed copy from her as well. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into our first craft that was inspired by this book. Everything that I use for these projects will be in the description box below along with timestamps. All right, so you're going to take your yellow paint and you're going to use what I call a paint dabber. That's what's on the package, and have them dab the paint onto a plate. Now, I like this method because it gives some texture to the paint instead of just painting it with a paintbrush. I think this is just another fun way to paint. Now that your plate is completely yellow, now you're going to take the black paint and you're going to use a dabber, or you can use a paintbrush or your child's finger, but either way I just need you guys to make a black line for your bee. So I'm going to do that using the dabber. So after your child is finished painting, just let it dry. So to make the wings, all I did was take a sheet of construction paper and I folded it in half, and I did that so I can make 2 wings at the same time, and then just cut out the shape that you want for your wings. And the last step that would make him Benjamin and make him unique is his little red hat. So that's what I'm going to cut out now. Just like that, we are all done. So now Benjamin is going off to find his Buzzz, and we can go ahead and move on to the next craft. So go ahead and take your toilet paper roll and you're going to paint it yellow, of course, for the base for the bee. And then you're going to cut out some black construction paper strips to go around the paper towel roll, and you're just going to repeat the process.
Buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving, loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving, loving all day.
Now, Benjamin's mom is known for having those beautiful blue eyes, so that's what we're going to create now. I actually got these googly eyes from Dollar Tree too, believe it or not. So if you don't have blue eyes, black ones will be fine as well. And if you don't have googly eyes, you can always make eyes out of construction paper. Now to make the wings, I basically folded the paper in half again because I want to make double wings. But this time I'm going to keep the fold in the inside. So I'm actually going to cut it. You see how I'm cutting it? One hump and then another hump. But I'm not going to cut off that fold because I actually want the wings to stay attached this time. Just like Benjamin, her iconic red lips are going to be the last thing we do to seal the deal. So grab your construction paper and go ahead and shape out some lips to go on your Bumblebee. Yay! And we are done, guys. How cute is this? So if you made it all the way to the end of the video, the last thing I tell you guys is the activity that you're going to do. So now we're going to make a puppet show using our two characters in our story. So have your kids play one character and you can play the other character and just have fun. All right, everyone, take your seats. The show is now beginning. Hey, Mom. Hi, son. I can't find my Buzzz. It takes time, son. You know I'm a theater teacher, so I had to throw that one in there. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please tag me on Instagram when you make your beautiful craft so I can see it. All my information is in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.